Get her face.
His watch.
All right, the bitch got the watch. Now what? What do you want to? What the fuck? I left my watch for my other bitch. Now what?
Walker will my dad. Walker will my dad.
I'll probably get it back tonight
Will my dad.
after I sleep with her.
Mom.
You want to keep going on and on about it?
I don't think I've ever called it out on the camera.
You just said something about my watch.
You feel so good doing that, don't you?
You just said something about my watch. I tried to play it off for you. You're not listening.
You want the whole world to hear.
All right. Well, yes. My other bitch has my watch. I left it in the hotel room when I left. I'm about to go retrieve it, and I'll probably sleep with her, and I'll be back later. All right. I love you. I don't know why you do it. I'm just trying not to. What the fuck? Thanks for dinner, love. What up, chat?
Is that true?
No, it's not true, baby. Do not believe them.
Hello.
I am not texting ruthless and toothless. Oh.
Chat, I ordered this morning because
She got the CVS DNA test.
you want to go to a walk-in clinic? I mean,
no,
we can
try it. Open it. Let's do it right now.
We can
Since you're
ship this
so
off.
thirsty for this.
And you guys are going to come with us to mail it off too. We're going to ship it off expeditiously. Because you know what? I'm tired of you playing with me. Okay, so we got the kit activation card. We got everything that comes in it. I paid $129 for this. I didn't ask my man to buy it. I bought it. Lift to access kit contents. I got to keep the ID card and everything. The activation.
What's
Okay.
the first step?
This is the alleged father's information consent card form. I could fill that out. The child's information form. I could fill that out. And mother's. Okay. I got all the swabs. Got all the swabs. You know what? Sell up if y'all really want me to do this. Ooh.
You're so thirsty.
I'm so thirsty. For this? Yeah.
Yes. Like, who cares?
Who cares? And this is what it'll be going in to get shipped off. But I'm going to go in and pay for same day, next day shipping type shit. Where do I put these swabs in? I put these swabs in here. Oh, I put the swabs in here. Okay, let me write on this first. I'll write our information down. 3, can you please bring me up a pencil, please? I don't know where
Oh,
at.
my freaking head. Whip.
You want to get popped? Wipe my hand off for me.
I think you said bite your hand off for you.
He just wants some love too.
Was that your belly?
Yeah.
I got your food.
I know. I'm about to eat right now.
Look how you looking. He was like this.
Thanks.
Oh, he's concerned. So cute watching you be a daddy.
Come on, swab us. Hey!
Get your butt down.
He can hang right there.
He's on the bridge. You guys outside the thing.
Why are you looking at us?
The baby don't want him on the bed. Get him off the bed now.
Get out.
Get down.
Yeah.
Ow, that hurts. Get down. That's pretty
Just
hurt.
wants to sniff him
Okay.
and meet the new family member.
Well, at this point, we're not even gonna go to the doctor's appointment or something.
Ow.
Okay,
There, he's chilling. He's
I'm
not
about to call and
bothering
have them.
That doggy.
He just wants to meet a part of the
Watch out.
fam.
Oh, ow.
Wait, just relax. If you relax, he won't do too much. You're moving. Wait, just relax. Superior.
Ow.
You're hyping him up. He thinks you're trying to play. So relax.
Ow.
Wait, don't jump on me now.
Get that dirty dog off the bed.
Yo,
They're acting like there's not a
this dog
newborn
off the
in
damn
there.
bed.
Hey, watch out, bro.
He's excited.
Here, take him. Take him. Let me get the dog. It's a baby.
Get off the bed now.
He likes babies.
It's wrong.
Get off.
Come on.
down.
Get out.
Get your butt, dog.
Get off the bed.
Get him out. Get him out.
I thought you were swabbing us.
Get your. We have an appointment. I'm trying to reschedule
Oh.
for a later time. At this point. Get out. Get
Okay,
the
let
fuck
me get the
out,
dog out there. He's bothering all of you guys. Come on.
Hi, I have an appointment at 2:10. Can I like push it for like maybe 3:30? Say it again. 4/12/2001.
What am I outside from you, 3Z? Yeah.
But for today,
Shut up to follow Clean Solar Circle on IG for the 5 gifted.
okay.
Who's
That's fine.
You want to hold the baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit up.
Okay. Oh, hold him. He's really so cute.
Give me that. I'm about to fill out the stuff.
Okay, give me the swab.
I have to fill this out first and then we put the swab in.
You can. Does it matter the order? Do what the fuck I tell you to do. Give me the swab. You want to be too in control? Is the DNA test for you or for me?
I have to do mine too.
I said, is it for you or for me? You know it's your baby, right?
For you.
Okay. So hand me the swab. The other one. Okay.
Monday. Yeah, that's fine.
And the other one.
Yeah, that's fine. This is mine. This is me.
I know your info. Yeah. I know your social too.
Mom.
You must not know the type of man.
What's up? Yes, baby.
I'm the type of that once you let me know you know mine, I gotta know yours.
I want to
Talk normal. Talk normal for me, please.
I was fun
Hello?
and
What's a good time? At the new location too? That's fine. I'll do the afternoon. Yeah, that's perfect. There wasn't no 250 today. Could you be able to call Sarah and see if she could let me in at a good time?
That's sad when you're late to your baby's first appointment or not gonna make it.
Do another day. What's the rush?
Shush.
What's the rush for? Oh, good.
Okay, well, if you can, just have her call me, but I'll go with that day that you said and that time. Yeah, the pediatric. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Okay.
We're gonna swab you too. You might be my son too.
All right, that's
No.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Just
Thank you so much.
funny.
Okay.
You so funny, bro. He said no.
No.
I know my dad. You know your dad, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I know. That's why I fuck with you. Hey, you wanna get pop? You wanna get pop?
Fight.
Pop fight.
He said,
Wait, Mom, he's so cute.
Yeah, he is, isn't he?
Mom, he should take a box back.
What? Stop! Don't be
Yeah.
You feel about the babies?
What?
Sit back. Sit back.
You
First
understand me?
appointment and didn't even make it to it. She was doing that with her prenatal care.
Put the socks on.
That's sad.
Nah, it's one of those long nails.
That's not Chica. That's not Chica. That's the bunny. That's the Foxy. That's not
Race black.
Ray.
Yeah. See, I'm not filling out anything, so I don't have the control of anything. So don't think, oh, she's faking it. No, it's all gonna go to him. I don't need to see. I ain't nervous about. Stop playing with me.
What month is August? 9?
Hey, today is the 20th. What are you talking about? His birthday?
Yes, 18. 2026.
Yeah, 2026.
New generation.
What, baby?
New generation.
Yeah, I know.
So today's the 20th?
Today's the 20th?
Or
Yeah,
19th?
yeah, it is.
Yeah. Now you feel like,
Yeah, because you don't know my info
you're right. I don't know your first, last name, and date of birth.
or social.
It don't even ask for all that.
Oh, hello, I'm Birdie. That's what you be saying.
Says discard this bag after opening. Do not put the swab back into this bag after collection.
Get yours.
Mom, I see green
Fill your
berries. That's
information
green.
out. You want to be in control so bad. I can see how this is gonna go with you.
See the directions tell you how to do it.
Where's the real direction? Do I just spit on it? Hey, yo. Oh,
That does sound nasty. Turn it the other way, baby.
$30 seconds. Says collect 2 swabs, 1 from each cheek. Scrape and rotate the swab vigorously on the inside of the right cheek. The appropriate individual for at least 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds each cheek. Oh, my mouth.
Your mouth?
Okay. I was to say, they don't want that on here.
Yeah, doo doo in there.
Don't stink. It's a
What
grown
the
man
fuck?
right here, you know?
That's definitely a grown man.
I know my stink.
I know it do too.
Shut the fuck up.
I'll kick your butt.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
No, I'll kick your butt.
Okay, let's try it.
30 seconds.
Are you counting?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You brush your teeth?
Nope. Was I supposed to?
Nah, I don't know.
Shit, I just woke up. Well, gonna be hot breath all on the computer. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I lost count for a good second. Yeah, keep swabbing.
Okay, my DNA is on there.
Look at the top, baby. Oh. What's that saying?
Into the swab. Wait at least 30 minutes for the swab to dry completely before sealing. So, okay, gotta let it dry first.
30 minutes?
Yep.
That's what it says? Okay, we gotta do it.
Right now it's 2 o'clock. Perfect. 2:30.
Okay. That's for the baby?
Yeah.
You wanna swab him? Swab your baby. Here you go.
Yep. Swabbing my baby. Let me see. Hopefully it doesn't give me a hard time. Open up. Oh, this is gonna be a hard time. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna. Oh. Yeah, good job, good job.
Oh, that's right.
Got one. Hold it.
Was it 30 seconds?
Maybe a little longer. Oh, 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 there we go. Oh yeah. Such a good boy you are. You're not crying or anything. Hold on, I'm almost done, my boy. Hold on, JR.
Don't speak too
Hold on,
fast,
JR.
Blueface.
You got this. There you go.
Is it wet? Yeah.
Of course it's wet.
My turn now, chat.
Your turn. We don't know if you're the mom or not.
Yeah, he don't look like me. He don't look like me.
No, wait. Ew.
Chat, you guys want to see his face?
Messy, 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 messy.
Since you guys are already...
Messy, messy. Shake his butt.
Spank his butt?
Yeah, shake it.
I spank him, shake him. Like he was
I
yesterday.
like pat him.
No, shake his butt.
Yesterday he was doing this to him and he was like moving.
Shake his butt.
Man, we're quiet.
I'll show you guys chat.
Be quiet. Say that. Oh, nasty.
Hey.
Sit down. Sit down. I told you to go put on your shorts. Go put on your shorts. No, don't change them right here.
Such a cute baby, isn't he?
Turning on your brother.
Mom, you say you're supposed
Yeah. Sorry.
Blue twin. That's so cute.
Took yours?
Yeah.
Where's the? This is what you send it in?
Yeah. And we're gonna drop it off, and I'm gonna pay to get it expedited,
Make
Oh,
sure
what
y'all
you
hit
do?
the like button.
so we can get it the test. I mean the results early.
How early?
Yes.
I said how early?
Oh, 1 to 2 business days.
Yeah, okay. So you should probably send it off on Monday then, huh?
No, because it can get there by tomorrow if I'm sending it the next day.
Oh, 1 to 2 businesses.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But I'm sending that. Y'all ready to sub up?
Chad, what y'all think? I think it's my baby. I think he looks like me. He looks like my baby pictures.
They send you the pappy. His nose, right? Yes, yes.
She's so desperate.
Definitely the nose.
Oh, a lot of yes. I ain't never seen a lot of people say yes before when it come to me. Bye. Now they trying it. Ooh, my pad.
Too
My
much
mommy has a
information.
diaper on. Superior. She has a diaper on.
I gotta keep this.
No, mommy does.
I gotta keep this right here because the activation card.
You're right. Only
I
God
gotta
knows.
activate it online. So let me get this ready.
Yeah, try out strong jeans.
Hey, come on now.
All my kids kind of look like me.
I thought my jeans were strong. I thought I was gonna have some type of part.
Chad says you look juicy. Yeah, she does look juicy, huh?
What?
Baby looking like a snack.
A snack.
Ew. Yeah, she looks great, Chad.
Oh, thank you, Chad.
She's definitely looking like hittable now. I hit that list.
Nah.
No?
You're not gonna be pregnant again in the same month. Wait, after 6 weeks is up? What?
Something to put over his feet.
His size.
No, with the blanket. Cold in here.
There you go.
My feet are cold, so I know his feet are cold. Wifey.
Don't put that dirty
Yeah.
blanket on him.
Her face looks skinnier already, huh, Chad?
Ugh.
You look so pretty.
Thank you. It's so weird.
It's crazy how little baby can do to you.
Mm-hmm. It's crazy how your man can treat you too.
crazy how much of a hoe you are. Was.
Let me correct you, babe.
Okay. Okay, babe.
Hello.
Crazy how much of a hoe you was.
Yes, indeed. But I know what you are still.
What?
The biggest.
The biggest.
But that ain't got nothing to do with me.
I'm your hoe.
Yeah, you're my man. You're my man.
Yep. I'm your man, hoe.
What hoe ass man?
Nobody else's. So you gonna stick beside him, ain't you?
I'm doing it.
I'm doing it.
I'm
doing it and doing it
and
and
doing it well.